Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to give you Surfshark VPN coupon code. First, you'll have to go to the link that I will leave down below in the description, and here you will find this page. You will get 81% off plus 4 month extra, but you need to know that this is a limited offer, so you will have to use it or apply for it as soon as possible. And every plan will have 3-day money back guarantee, so you can actually get your money back anytime during this period. After you go to this page, click on Get Surfshark. And Surfshark, if you do not know, it is a VPN program which has many features, and I have made a review video on it. You can watch it on the channel. And now here, as you can see, once you get to this page, here you will have the 1 month plans, but for sorry, it doesn't have the 81% off and the 4 month extra, because it's just for 1 month. But if you try to subscribe for 12 months or 24 months, you will get this offer. You will save 81% and 71% for this Surfshark One Plus plan. And here, as you can see, in this 24-month plans, you will get 87% off when you try to subscribe to Surfshark starter plan for 24 months, and you will get extra 4 months for each of these plans, as you can see. And you will also be able to get your money back within 30 days if you want to change your mind. All you have to do is to simply click on Get One if you want to subscribe to any one of these options, and you can use any one of these payments options right here. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.